After more than a month of using my Redmi Note 7, I finally decided to do a review to share with you what the things I like and I don't like on this phone. We will talk about the main features of this phone and how good the camera is. But before I tell you how well the camera of this phone, let me tell you what is the specs of this phone. It has a flagship level camera of a 40 megapixel plus 5 megapixel AI dual rear camera. That one we will talk about it later. Redmi Note 7 uses an all-new 48 megapixel sensor. That's 4 times the pixel of a typical 12 megapixel phone camera. That means the more pixels, the clearer the picture. Let's see the specs of this phone. This phone has a powerful performance of a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 AIE octa-core processor. It has a 4GB plus 128GB highest storage. With a long-lasting battery of 4000 mAh, a Type-C port that supports Qualcomm and a quick charge technology. It has a flagship display of 6.3 Full HD plus dot drop display to maximize the screen size when viewing. And it has a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It also comes in 3 color variants: the Space Black, the Neptune Blue, and the Nebula Red. That's the one I got. Now for the detailed specs of the camera. The rear camera comes with a 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel AI dual rear camera. It has a 1.8 aperture lens. It has steady handheld night photography. It had a single tone flash, a low light enhancement, electronic image stabilization. From the photo mode, you have the torch options, the HDR option, you can turn it on and off, you also have the AI camera, the built-in photo filters that you can choose from. And these are the sample shots from the photo mode. For the portrait mode menu, you only have the camera AI and the built-in photo filters. If you also notice that the circular icon on the screen turns yellow because now the exposure is locked. From the built-in photo filters, you can add effects on the photos to make it more interesting. There's a lot of effects that you can choose from, like movie, T, sepia, and black and white. You also have the AI portrait mode background blurring. I really love this feature of this phone. You can get a blurry background as long as you have the subject close to the camera. For the square mode menu, you also get the torch, HDR, AI camera mode, and the photo filters. And these are the sample shots for the square mode. For the panorama mode, you just need to follow the direction of the arrow and begin panning slowly to get the effect. For the Pro mode menu, you have the torch, the 48 megapixel option, and the photo filters. You also have the option for the white balance. You can manually adjust the focus. You can adjust the shutter speed. And the ISO. It has a burst mode and a face recognition. For the front camera, it has a 13 megapixel AI portrait mode background blurring, AI beautify, face recognition, self timer, and on HDR. And for the video, you can shoot 1080p 60 frames and 30 frames per second, shoot 720p 30 frames per second. You can also shoot